Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this fiery bowl of Sichuan pork udon. She's thick, she's saucy, and packs a punch. You won't be able to get enough of it. To get started, I want to show you the udon I'll be using today. If you haven't tried frozen udon yet, you're really missing out. In contrast to the soggy, vacuum-sealed udon, the texture of cooked frozen udon is completely different. The result is firm, chewy, springy noodles that taste as though they've just been freshly made. Guys, it really does make the biggest difference, so go for the frozen udon. And all you really need is a quick minute in boiling water to loosen the frozen udon. We're just going to put that aside and get started on the Sichuan pork. So we're going to heat up a pan, add oil and lightly fry the minced garlic. Once the garlic is softened and just begins to brown, chuck in 250 grams of your minced pork and stir fry. Now for the flavour party. Add 2 tablespoons of doubanjiang, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of Chinese chilli powder, half a teaspoon of ground Sichuan pepper, a teaspoon of sugar, and half a cup of water. Give it a good stir, and now we're just going to cook that through for roughly 5 to 6 minutes. I wish you guys were here right now. It smells amazing and my mouth is starting to water. And check out the colour of that sauce. You know it's going to have some good heat to it. In goes the cooked udon and give it a good old stir to coat everything evenly. And to finish, we're going to throw in a handful of spring onion or more and then turn off the heat. How delicious does this look? I just can't wait to dig in. Let's get these noodles into a bowl so we can get started. I am salivating. Just a little bit more noodle and get some of that saucy pork in there too. And because I can't help myself, I'm just going to finish with a sprinkling of coriander and some more spring onion, and let's eat! Oh, the spiciness just hits all the right places. The noodles have a great chewiness to them, and together with that sauce, the saltiness and earthiness of the doubanjiang and the kick from the chili and Sichuan pepper. I'm so happy right now. As always, thanks for watching guys. I hope you've enjoyed my 10-minute Sichuan pork udon. If you've enjoyed this recipe, please remember to like, comment and subscribe.